Hello guys, welcome to Hairstyles, your go-to channel for the latest braid hairstyle, the benefits and expert tips to keep your braids looking flawless and stylish. In today's video, I'll be talking about gorgeous and splendid Invisible Bob Loc Braids, hairstyle every woman should try in 2024. As we dive in, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And if you're new here, please also like and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. In 2024, the Invisible Bob Loc Braids hairstyle has gained popularity and a versatile, stylish and no-maintenance choice for women. This hairstyle combines the sleek look of a pop with the protective benefits of locks, making it an excellent option for women seeking beauty and practicality. Invisible Bob Loc braids are designed to give the illusion of locks growing directly from the scalp without any visible knots or braid beginnings. This seamless natural finish makes the style look effortless, elegant and polished. It's also a protective hairstyle that shields natural hair from breakage and daily styling damage. One of the reasons women love Invisible Bob Loc braids is the versatility. The style can be customized with layers, historical cords or accessories like beads and rings, making it suitable for any occasion, whether casual or formal. It's lightweight, comfortable, and requires minimum maintenance, which makes it ideal for busy lifestyle. There are several variations of Invisible Bob Loc braids trending in 2024, including the classic bob, historical styles, and coil ends for a more romantic look. Each variation offers a unique twist while maintaining the core benefits of protection, ease, and beauty. In conclusion, Invisible Bob Loc braids are a top hairstyle for women in 2024. They provide a fashionable yet functional solution for those looking to embrace natural beauty while keeping their hair healthy and stylish. Whether you are aiming for a classic or modern look, this hairstyle offers endless possibilities for personalization. Now, I want you to take your time to watch the video and embrace the amazing style of Invisible Bob Loc braids that you like. You can decide to choose any of the styles and also put it and plait it on your hair and braid it on your hair, and you can look so elegant and so beautiful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.